Hi, everybody. Welcome to Burping After Dinner. I just got through eating some ribs, some boiled eggs, and some corn on the cob in my tasty sauce. If you guys are not subscribed to my other channel, Tasty Mukbang Eats, you can watch me eat, and I also burp while I'm eating naturally. So if you like burps, you can subscribe to my other channel, Tasty Mukbang Eats. But I just got through eating and I'm here to do some burps for you. Again, if you guys are not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video, please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start going live over here. And if you guys would like to send me something, a gift in my P.O. box, or you would like to support this channel and give me a monetary gift, you can also cash app me. And all that information is in the description box below. I appreciate all you guys' love and support. If you do decide to send me something or cash app me, make sure you leave a message to say you're my burping queen or something so I will know it's from the burping channel. And by the way, the more love and support I get on this channel, the more subscribers that come to this channel, the more I will post on this channel. So when y'all see me go MIA, it's because y'all ain't doing that. We should have been to 1,000 subscribers on this channel by now. As many people like burping. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave don't forget to thumbs up the video. Leave lots of comments down below and let me know how you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want me to come back and do some more next time I eat, or just because. And don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and hit always. And be sure to come back for another video. And if you're not subscribed to my other channel, Tasty Mukbang Eats, be sure to subscribe to that channel. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.